Dear friends, if you have a budget laptop with no dedicated graphics card installed, then this video is for you. Today I will show you how to increase VRAM, that means dedicated video memory for graphics, in your computer without purchasing any graphics hardware. So without wasting any time, let's get into the action. Let me check the size of video memory in my computer. Right click, display settings, scroll down, choose advanced display settings. Click here. You can see that dedicated video memory is 128 MB only. Now I will increase the size of it so that you can play latest games and use graphics software on your PC. Now search for REGEDIT. Click open. Follow my steps. HKey local machine. Software, select Intel and right click on it. Select new key, rename it GMM. Now here you have to select DWORD value. Here are two values. You have to choose one depending on the bit version of your operating system. Let me check the bit version of my OS. Search for my PC. Select properties. You can see that 64-bit operating system. In your case, it may be 32-bit if you use old computer. Okay, let's move on it. Right click new. Now I will select 64-bit. If your computer is 32-bit, then you have to select 32-bit here. Rename it as dedicated segment size. Double click on it. As you have seen that I have 4 GB of RAM installed, so I want to increase my video memory to 500 megabytes. So I am inputting the value 512. Choose hexadecimal and click OK. It's done. Now restart the computer to see the magic. Restart has been completed. Now check the video memory size again. Follow my steps. Congratulations! You have successfully increased your video memory to 576 MB. Now you can play all kind of heavy games and software which required at least 500 MB of VRAM. That's all for today. Have a good day to you all.